What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Adventure Off-Road X, and today we're in the shop. So it was recently my birthday last month, and my oldest son got me this awesome gift. This is the Mountain Hatch tailgate protector / cutting board. Now I've been eyeing these things for a minute, and he got it for me for my birthday. So pretty cool. But anyways, why I like this one so much, because I've been eyeing this exact brand, is it's a 1/2 inch thick. It's FDA approved for food, and it just looks cool. So you have a pocket over here for a phone. You got 2 pockets over here for your beverage. And you got another flat surface over here, but you got all this flat surface. So it's a really well put together product. And this is the 2nd gen, I believe. The 1st gen didn't have all this and this. So it's pretty simple to put on. All you're going to do is remove the bolts. I'm going to show you where the bolts are. You're going to take those out. You do need a T30 to remove the factory ones, but then the hardware that they supply is right here. It is just Phillips. So with your kit, you're going to get this. You're going to get your hardware. You're going to get a cool sticker and a patch. Whoops, and a patch. Along with this, I also got, this is called the Bear Slapper 3000. Not really, it's called the Bear Slapper though. And this is a cutting board, which is nice because I don't think I'm going to cut on this. I'm just going to use this as a nice surface for cooking and just kind of add to what I have going on already. But I'm going to use this definitely to cut all my stuff. So I'm pretty stoked about this. Same thing, it's made out of the same material. It's 1/2 inch plastic, and it's just, it's sturdy. It's very durable, and I can't wait to get this thing on. So guys, follow along. We're gonna get all set up over here. You're not gonna need much tools. You don't have to use power tools, but I am. And I've got my T30, and I got my Phillips. So stick around, guys. We're gonna get this thing put on real quick. All right, guys, to get started, we're going to be removing this bolt, this one, this one, that one, and that one, and that one. Those are the only bolts you're going to be removing. And those are T30s. Focus, there we go. So let's get to it. All right, once we get all this off, pull this off, we'll give this a little cleaning because that's pretty dirty. All right, guys, like I said, it is a good time, since you already have this off, give it a nice little clean, because this dirt right here has been sitting in here for just a little bit. This has Moab dirt twice. It's got dirt all the way from here across the country, all the way to Oregon. So I would say it's probably a little dirty. Now, cutting board is going to be sitting on top of this, so, you know, obviously nothing, all this stuff isn't going to be on it. Now, cutting board is going to get dirty over time, but it's nice you can just take it off, wash it down, put it back on. With that note, the cutting board is hand wash only, and the tailgate is hand wash only, even though I don't think you're going to fit that in the dishwasher. But just have to say that because you never know. Someone would probably try somewhere. After you get it all wiped down, we're going to get it installed. All right, guys, all we're going to do is we're just going to stick this right on. I'm going to match the bolt holes up like that and like that, and we're just going to reapply all the hardware supplied. It's all right here. Look at that. I can use one of the little pockets here. Look at this. Doesn't move out of it. Nice. You're gonna put your washer. Now it is recommended to put Loctite. I am not putting Loctite yet because my refrigerator, I have to move up just a hair because the slide hits. So, just putting this on, showing you how to install it, and then I'm going to be taking it back off to jack this up and then put it back on. So. I just get these things hand tight, just get them started, and then I'll finish it up with the impact. Like I said, this is a super easy install. Anybody can do it. Thought about, I was going to have one of my kiddos do this, give them a little practice, but they are in school, so it just wouldn't worked. Got the last one here. And that is it. It is nice and installed. So let me go get a beverage, see how this works. Got my cup. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Don't have to worry about it moving around. Pretty nice, guys. Pretty nice. So I absolutely cannot wait to get on the trail with this and get out camping, test it out, and it's just going to add to what I already have. So I have a table that I usually use on this side. So this is going to be a nice addition to kind of use this as my whole kitchen area. Really can't wait. Another thing is like my jet boil, you know. I could use the table over there, but usually it's taken up with stuff, or we're eating at it. So again, this is going to be a great addition, and I can't thank my son enough because this is exactly what I wanted. So well, we're going to get on the trail, but until next time, enjoy your adventure. See ya.